Alright everybody, welcome back. Thank you for all the new subscribers we've had over the last few weeks. You know, those steak tacos were pretty good the other night. I think I'm going to do some chicken fajitas, tacos, whatever you want to call them. I thought I was going to have to slice these up, but I opened up the package and they were already cut up. So, hold on, we got some William Perrins garlic and herb sauce. Let me get these in the package here. Gonna packed up and we'll show you that. Alright everybody. You're gonna see another video for this one, but oh, hold on. Get that bag ready. We're doing something kind of different this week. It's gonna be a Lonely Man Week of Cooking. How to cook for yourself. Mama Kelly, Miss Ellie are gone for the week. They're going to see the other two older girls. Going up to Tennessee a few days. Going down to Florida for a few days. Then they'll be back for the weekend when I cook the probably a Easter ham. I'm not sure yet. But, oh, should have tore that top off for her. Oh, never mind. I ain't going to use all of it. Like I said, we're going to do some Lonely Man. These are for tomorrow. I'm preparing them right now. I got a special dinner ready, getting ready here in a little bit for myself. You'll probably see that video before you see this one. I'm not going to use all of it. That's probably enough. Get that air out the bag. Oh, that smells good. Get that wrapped up. We're going to put that in the refrigerator. Get ready to start cooking that tomorrow evening, folks. We'll see you then. Alright, everybody, welcome back. It's the next day. He's been marinated about 12 hours. We got those chickens ready to go. We got some soft shell tacos, burritos, burrito grandes. Got some cheese, got some tomatoes. Got some lettuce. We got some taco seasoning. Let's go ahead and get these sprinkled up a little bit here. I should have put this in a container, but oh well. We're just going to sprinkle this over the top, get a little taco seasoning on them. I ain't wanting too much. That's enough so we know we got some taco seasoning on them. By the way, did you guys watch the Masters today? Damn, Tiger Woods came back. Down, took the win. After like 11, 12 years, had his kids there. You know, it was awesome. I think it was about as great as his first one when he had his daddy there. But hey, how'd you guys like my first video I did yesterday? I'm not sure when this one's going to go up. My last video of You Know You're a Redneck If. I got another one coming too. Wait to see that one. Alright. Let's go out and get the pit boss fired up. You ready to start cooking these? You ready to start eating some tacos, fajitas, burritos, whatever you want to call them. See you then. Unfortunately, sorry about the wind, folks. Bad today, we got some big storms coming in. So I'm going ahead and getting this done. We're up to 250. We'll put the chicken on this side. Still got the water over here. Put some more fresh water in it. Let's go and get the tomatoes and lettuce and everything fixed up. Get these up to about 165, then we'll be ready to start eating. Alright, let's get these things done. I'm not used to this. Mama Kelly usually does this. Get these tomatoes. Oh, they're slicing good. Oh yeah, there we go. Speed up through this till we get to the lettuce. Mama Kelly be proud of me. I didn't cut myself one time. Pick it up. There we go. Alright, let's get ready to get the lettuce done. Alright, I have no idea what kind of lettuce my wife got. What is this? Dandy red leaf lettuce. Okay. Okay. I got my lettuce done. Let's get the chicken ready. And we've been making some chicken, I don't even know what to call it. Chicken tacos, chicken fajitas, something. See you when we get there. Okay guys, sorry about this, but chicken's off, reached 165. We got the taco wraps. Soft taco shells, whatever you want to call them in here. We've got some major storms coming in, so I'm trying to get this done as quick as I can. See you back inside. Alright guys, sorry about trying to rush this, but there's some major storms coming in. Look at there. Got the Pit Boss crisscross patterns. Oh, hold on. Oh, we gotta get that first. Get a knife, get some sour cream on this thing. Ah. Wrap's getting hard on me. Hey, don't fall out of there. Squeeze up the bottom of it. Sorry, mouthful, folks. Want a bite? I'm gonna get a full belly. Get ready for bed. We'll see you folks next time. Remember, click the subscribe button. See you then.